Hey guys, you must be wondering how I did that special effects earlier on. You must be thinking like, hey, this guy did it in After Effects in Premiere Pro. Oh, that's paid stuff, man. I don't have that money. Nope, I did that purely in Windows. Is it called Movie Maker at this point? Because it's currently dead right now. Let's just say it's actually from an app called in Windows called Photo. If you wanna go and try that on, so you just have to go search for Photo here. You can send photos here. So as it opens for you over here, let's go to my custom folder, which we are going to mimic how I did that earlier on, which I'm not sure which video. I think it's this one. Yes, let's take this one then. Yeah, my funny face and my Super Saiyan poses. So let's go to, you see this create a video with text. So this is the new Windows Movie Maker. Huh, weird. This one works too, but then you cannot do all those cuttings, trimming and stuff like that, and add audios and stuff like that. So right now we're just gonna focus on the special effects. So the reason why I shoot it portrait like this is because I want to upload this tutorial in IGTV. Hello IGTV. So the way how I did it is, this is how I set up my camera. So I just flip it like that on a tripod. There we go. You might not have that grill like the one I had. I mean that grill. The one I had, the cage on my Sony a6000. But you can just use your phone actually. Honestly, you can just use your phone. I don't know why I had the trouble to just actually flip my camera like that. So anyway, let's go to create a video with text. So let's just call this Super Saiyan. Alright, Super Saiyan. Okay, so you have your clip over here. All you have to do is drag and drop inside here. So let's trim the one that we want to use only. Let's see, I want to start from me doing this weird floppy Super Saiyan pose. So click down there, so it's trimmed, so you can see it starts from there. Oh, I forgot to trim the end. So trim the end, starts from here. There you go. Click done. So now you want to put all the special effects inside this easily. So you just click here, 3D effects. So it will load. You have all of it on the right side here. So let's try to make everything early on. So let's say I want to put one layer first. We use glowing star, that's what I use for the starting. So I put it here. Alright, you can see there's that dragging point here. So all you have to do is drag it where you want it to end. Let's just say it there. So if you want to preview, it's not working because this thing is still maybe under beta. Or the reason why they hide it in photos is because it's not stable. So let's just click done. This is how I fixed it. So it'll be showcased here when you play it. Fix those sounds. Okay, next we're gonna put in some Super Saiyan glow. So let's go find something in effects here. So let's see. There's a laser wall here that I use. I like this. Okay, the reason why. Okay, not the reason why. You see these rotation modifiers here. This is actually a 3D layer effect. So what that means is you can rotate this in 3D space. So if you want to align this properly with the floor, so let's say like this would be nice. Let's maximize that. You can also rotate it how you want it, but we're not gonna do that. Just click Ctrl Z to undo. That does not work. Let's just rotate it back how it is. And let's resize it more because my head is kind of big. There we go. So that's how the Super Saiyan looks like. So we want it to start where I do that weird screaming. So here, let's say here, let's drag it here to start. I think this is how it is. Then you want it to end until the end. Alright. So as I said, it's not stable. You can preview it here. You just click done, I guess. Then there you go. So the next one is the lightning. Same thing, we just put in a layer, 3D effect, find an effects, go find that lightning, that sparking electric. So just put it here. Let's resize it. Resize it. Okay, we want it to start where I did the second blast, which is this one. So we start it from, let's drag it here until the end. Alright. Done. Alright, so you want to preview everything. And then the second wave comes in. Oh, before I forget anything, you see here the 16:9 landscape. So you can see here it says make portrait. So it will resize itself into portrait for IGTV. So now everything is done, everything is okay. Let's go export and share. I would pick this one, I guess, because it says best for sharing online. So IGTV is best for sharing online. Let's do it. This might take a while. Alright, it's finished exporting. All you have to do is, if you want to find this, view in File Explorer. So it will open up in my backup drive, picture, exported videos. So when you open this, ta-da! There you go. Alright, so that's how you actually make Super Saiyan stuff in IGTV using free software, which is Windows Movie Maker. Alright guys, leave a like. Follow me on Instagram for more special effects, weird stuff, or maybe some other tutorials. Thanks for watching.